How to fix no sound on YouTube on Windows 11. So if you want to fix no sound on YouTube on Windows 11, then what you need to do is just go with the control center, which is on the bottom right, and make sure that your sound is not muted. And also try to drag the slider of volume to a higher value. And if that doesn't fix, then you just need to simply go with the second method, which is you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for sndvol.exe and go with run command. You'll get this kind of interface. Make sure that the browser running YouTube is not muted, which is right here. Make sure that it is not muted, and make sure you have the highest sound possible. And if that still doesn't fix your problem, then just go with the browser in which you are playing the YouTube and just right click on the tab and make sure that it is not muted. Here you will have mute side option. Make sure that it is not muted. Just right click on the tab and you will have the option of mute. Make sure that it is not muted and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. These are the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.